Hello. Today we will discuss drugs containing alkaloids, and two drugs we will discuss. First is the opium and second is the ipecacuanha. So we start with the opium. Synonym: raw opium. In Hindi we call it as afim. Biological source: opium is the latex obtained by incision from the unripe capsules of Papaver somniferum belonging to family Papaveraceae, dried or partly dried by heat or spontaneous evaporation and worked into irregular masses. It should contain not less than 9.5% of morphine, calculated as anhydrous morphine. Geographical source: the main opium producing countries are Turkey, Russia, Iran, Tasmania, Yugoslavia, and India. In India, opium is collected from Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Macroscopic characters: odor is strong and characteristic, taste is bitter of all the varieties of opium. Now we will discuss some varieties of opium. First is Indian opium. Indian opium occurs in cubical pieces, weighing about 900 grams, and it is dark brown in color. Second is the natural Turkish or European opium. It occurs in more or less rounded or conical, frequently somewhat flattened masses, weighing between 250 grams to 1 kg. It is dark brown in color. Third is the manipulated Turkish opium. It occurs in oval masses, weighing about 2 kg, and it is chocolate brown in color. Fourth is Persian or Iranian opium. It occurs in brick-shaped masses and is dark reddish brown in color, and it is available in 400 to 500 grams of masses. Chemical constituents of the drug. Opium contains 25 alkaloids, which belongs to phenanthrene ring system or benzyl isoquinoline ring system. Morphine 10 to 20%, codeine 0.3 to 4%, and thiamine 0.2 to 0.5%. All these alkaloids belong to phenanthrene ring system and are strong bases, whereas other alkaloids present like papaverine, narcotine, and nursine, they belong to isoquinoline ring system and are weak bases. Morphine is in colorless crystals and is slightly soluble in cold water, but it is readily soluble in caustic alkalis. It is also insoluble in ether, chloroform, or benzene. Morphine is a powerful hypnotic. Codeine, also called as methyl morphine, is in rhombic crystals and it is soluble in 80 parts of water and readily soluble in chloroform. Narcotine, it is in rhombic crystals, it is soluble in 160 parts of ether. The alkaloids present in the opium are in combination with meconic acid and sulfuric acid. Other constituents present in the drug are like wax, mucilage, sugar, and salts of calcium and magnesium are present in small quantities. Chemical test of the drug. Opium is dissolved in water and filter it. To the filtrate add ferric chloride solution. A deep reddish purple color is obtained which persists even after the addition of few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid. This confirms the presence of meconic acid in the opium. Second test. Morphine is added to concentrated sulfuric acid and formaldehyde. A dark violet color is produced. Third test. Morphine solution is treated with ferric chloride and potassium ferricyanide solution. A bluish green color is produced. Uses of the drug. Opium acts on central nervous system and it causes depression. It is used as hypnotic, analgesic and sedative. It is also used in diarrhea. Morphine is an analgesic and it is given in severe pains when patient does not respond to any other analgesic, then morphine is then morphine is given. Morphine also causes respiratory depressions. Now, codeine. Codeine is widely used in cough syrups. It relieves local irritation in bronchial tract and possesses mild analgesic effects. Narcotine has non-narcotic property and is useful in respiratory disease and is central antitussive. Several synthetic derivatives have been prepared from the opium alkaloids like heroin, also called as diacetyl morphine, has more narcotic properties than morphine, and heroin is more dangerous than morphine and is a famous drug causing is a famous addiction causing drug. So this was the opium. Next drug is Ipecac cohana. Synonym Ipecac. Ipecac cohana root. Biological source. Ipecac cohana consists of dried root or rhizomes and roots of Syphilis ipecac cohana, commonly called as Rio or Brazilian ipecac, or of Syphilis acuminata, commonly called as Cartagena or Panama ipecac, belonging to family Rubiaceae. Geographical source. This is found in Brazil, Panama, Burma, Singapore, Malaysia and India. In India, it is majorly found in West Bengal. Macroscopic characters. First is the Rio or Brazilian ipecac. Color is roots are brick red to brown. Odor is slight. Taste is bitter. Shape. Root are in tortuous pieces. Size 5 to 18 centimeter long and 3 millimeter thick. Cartagena or Panama ipecac. Color. Roots are grayish brown or reddish brown in color. Odor slight. Taste bitter. Shape cylindrical. Size. Roots are of large size up to 9 millimeter in diameter. Now rhizomes. These are the short in length and attached to the roots. They are cylindrical in shape and up to 2 millimeter in diameter. Chemical constituents of the drug. Ipecac cohana contains isoquinonyl alkaloids. Rio ipecac contains 2% of alkaloids, whereas Panama contains 2.2% of alkaloids. The alkaloids present are amethine, cephalene, psychotrine, orthomethyl psychotrine, and ametamine. The drug also contains a crystalline glucosidal tannin, ipecacuanine. a glycoside known as ipcoside, and ipecacuanhic acid, starch, and calcium oxalate. Chemical test. To 1 gram of the powdered drug, add 20 ml of hydrochloric acid and 5 ml of water. Shake it and filter it. To the filtrate, add small amount of potassium chlorate. Yellow color is produced, which after some time changes to red color. This confirms the presence of amethine. Second test. Amethine is treated with sulfuric acid and molybdic acid. It gives bright green color. Now, uses of the drug. Ipecac is widely used as an expectorant. It is also used as emetic in treatment of amoebic dysentery. In the treatment of amoebic dysentery, amethine hydrochloride is given by injection, and amethine and bismuth iodide are given by mouth. Thanks. Take care.